And then a second one, say 36 million 400,000 and 65. Now, these two numbers have been written in words, and it is our task to convert it into digit form. How do we do this? Solution. So for the first one, we see that we are starting with 8 million. So the number in the million category is just a single digit. So that would be what? 8. Then the comma. The next 3 digits is what you then need to find out what it is. And according to this question, we are dealing with 225. 225, which is in the 1,000 category, according to our place value. So 225. How do we write that? You write as 225. 1,000, so another comma. Then the final 3 digits, which falls in the ones category, is read as 631. 631. That is 6, 3, and 1. So we write it as what? 6, 3, 1. And just like that, we have written 8,225,631 in digit form. Now let's get to the second one. B. The number we are working with this time is 36,400,065. How do we do this? Now, the first category is the million category, as you can see here. And we are dealing with the number 36. 36. That is a 2-digit number. So we write it as what? 36. Then the comma to go to the next 3. The next 3 that we are dealing with in this number is 400,000. Note that after the word 100, there is nothing else mentioned. That tells you that we are only given the digit in the hundreds of thousands. So therefore, we write it as exactly what it is, 400, which will be 400. And this number is read as what? 400. But it is in the 1,000 category. And then finally, to the ones, we are dealing with what? 65. Now, remember that when you are dealing with ones, you have 3 digits. The first digit is known as what? 100. Then the tens before the unit. But in this case, we are only given the tens and units. That tells you that the digit that will be in the 100 position is the digit 0. Followed by 65, which will be 6 and 5. So just like that, we have written 36,400,065. That is 36,400,065. By applying this simple method, you too can become a master of converting numbers in millions from word form to digits. Thank you.